Overview of the product and its relevance in modern kitchens. Emphasize the growing need for efficient meal prep tools. Slicing, dicing, grating, and julienne. Highlight specific attachments and their uses. Discuss the compact, ergonomic design and non-slip features. Talk about durability, safety, and ease of handling. Time-saving advantages for meal preparation. Encourages healthy eating with easy vegetable prep. Reduces food waste with precise cutting. Assembling and disassembling the slicer. Selecting the right attachment for desired cuts. Practical demonstration ideas. Chopping onions and slicing potatoes. Easy disassembly for thorough cleaning. Recommended cleaning methods: hand wash versus dishwasher. Tips for maintaining blade sharpness. Share simple recipes using the slicer, e.g., salads, stir-fries. Creative uses for different cuts, garnishes, meal prep. Recap the key features and benefits of the product. Encourage viewers to consider it for a more efficient kitchen experience. Address common questions and concerns. Comparisons to manual chopping. Handling tough vegetables.